Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are having Raj Sharma who is currently working as a project engineer in Wipro. So Raj, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Raj Sharma. Recently I have graduated from Rajkot Engineering College, Azamgarh. Basically I belong to city Projabad, the city from Moscow, Bengal.
Okay. So have you applied in Wipro or it was a campus placement?
No, it was not campus placement. Even I applied Wipro accidentally. Once I was playing game with my friend, he suggested me to apply for Wipro.
So you don't want to apply for Wipro or it was like
Uh,
by
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, I can say that I don't want any job because
Okay.
I was at that time I was working on my startup, so I don't consider job as a part of my game. That's why.
Okay. So you have started your startup or going to start?
Yeah, it is under construction. Actually, I have worked on two startup. One of my have has launched already launched, and
Okay.
I'm working on another startup as well.
So explain your internship period or a training period in Wipro, like what technologies they have trained you and how much you get
Okay.
from those training.
Okay. Uh, Internship which I had is of 6 weeks from Chetu Infotech Noida, Delhi. The internship which I have done was related to Python development. I have worked under a Python development team from Chetu Infotech. Uh, there I learned a lot of things like the OOPS concept to implement in real projects. Before that, I don't know much skills about the coding and implementing the things in projects. But after getting the internship there in Chetu, I worked with the development team of Chetu Infotech, and they teaches us many things. So it was overall a very great experience for me to work with the Chetu developers. So there I learned various OOPS concepts, also data structures to implement the things in real projects. That is the main thing.
Okay. So there was no training given by Wipro.
Yeah, they are giving training recently to us. They started training in lockdown period of time from July. I think from July onward we have trainings
So
on
on
our
which
online terms and
technology they
conditions.
trained you? You would like to explain like how you are getting from those training, or you have to do from
Uh,
outside, like from YouTube and all.
okay. Okay. Recently, we are working on Java J2EE. They have trained us on various aspects of Java development. So we are working on Java development with the stream of J2EE. My stream is Java J2EE. They have given an online portal. From there, we have to learn the things and we have to submit the assignments as well.
So they provided you the course or some instructor is teaching you.
Yeah, also there are some various connect sessions which they gave us. There are various mentors who teaches us various things as well, like online classes. They are giving us online classes as well to clear out
Yeah.
our concepts and things that we are missing from that course as well.
So what is the difference between the college learning and this Wipro training learning? Do you see any difference? Like things you have learned in college
Yeah,
and things you
yeah.
are learning in Wipro?
Yeah, of course, of course. There's a large difference, I can say. In college life, what we do, we learn the theoretical aspect. But in training, which the Wipro is providing, they is not considering much about the theoretical aspect, but they are concerned about the practical aspect as well. So they are focusing on theory as well as practical. So they have given assignments after every concept.
Okay. So the concepts are clear to you proper, like what they are teaching and all.
Yeah, concepts are very clear to me because they are very good instructors who are teaching us, and they are helping in every aspect of our theory and as well as practical sessions.
Okay. So how much you want to rate the Wipro training out of 10 and the college
Uh,
learning out of 10?
as Okay, so due to lockdown, the training period is not defined. They are just keep us trained until we have not joined. So on last week of September, I have just mail from the Wipro to get joined. So till now, I was just getting all the connect sessions from my mentors as well. They're teaching.
Okay. So the out of 10, how much you want to
Even
give?
uh, what? Sorry.
Like you want to rate the training of Wipro out of 10. So how much you want to give?
Yeah, I would like to give 8.5. Of course, 8.5.
And the college learning?
College learning, I can say it totally depends on a person. So for me, college learning was about 6.5 to 7.
Okay. So the questions about your work, like right now you got any project or not? Like your training is over?
No, no, no. My training is not over
Okay.
until I have not assigned any project. Till now, I'm getting training for my mentors as well and working on Java J2EE. And most probably in the last of the October, I would be assigned any project because there are some assessments which are remaining for me. We have to give some assessment. After that, only we are assigned with the projects.
Okay. So share your interview experience. So how many technical rounds were there and how many HR rounds were there and what things they have asked, like from your resume or data structure or coding, or like they are having a coding test only?
Yeah. Uh, I can recall that there was basically 3 rounds. Like firstly, there was a written test, as we all know that we have to go to the center and we have to give the written test as well. And written test consists of 3 sections: verbal, quant, and also coding sections. And most over there was a essay section also in my written test. So after my written test, the interview was scheduled and I have gone to give interview. So in interview, there was 2 round, technical round, and of course an HR round at task. So in my technical round, I don't remember much questions what they asked, but basically I can say this. Uh, in my interview slot, there were all the guys related to machine learning and artificial intelligence. So they were just asking about, the interviewer was just asking about machine learning and artificial intelligence. But when I get to know that the interview just asking these questions, so I was get frustrated or just scared about the things. So when I get my seat, when I was in front of my interviewer started asking on ML, on machine learning questions. I straightly denied. Sorry, sir, I don't know these questions because I don't belong to this domain. So I tell my interview that I can say that the main things which the interviewer was asking was related to my CV and as well as the final year project which I was doing. I was working on mean stack technology. So he asked me all things about my projects. So I would suggest that if you are going to give interview or Wipro going to give any interview, then you should focus on your CV, what you have written. You should have the explanation, all the things which you have written in your CV, and also the final year project which you are going to go. So these are the things which I have given in my interview.
Okay, so there was any
So
HR
most
round
over the,
also for Wipro?
yeah, there was a HR round, which was the telephonic or video conferencing round. HR was not present there, but with the video call, we communicate with each other. And HR round was not tough. He just asked me about myself, a small intro, and after that, my salary expectations. And final things, he asked me about the joining. She asked me that is there any problem if we will provide you any location for work. I simply said that as I am fresher, so I don't need any preferred location. I just need the work.
So you told like how much package you need to the interviewer, or you said
Please,
it is negotiable.
I would suggest. Yeah, I can say I would suggest to the freshers that please don't open your package, as
Yeah.
we are freshers and we are willing to get the job. So for freshers, it is not important the package. For freshers, it is important which company you are getting.
Yeah.
As Wipro is good company, so I don't open my package there.
So any obstruction you have faced in Wipro till now?
Till now, I don't have any obstructions as it is going smooth. We are just working on our conduction sessions, immer session as well. So till now, I have not assigned any work, so I don't have any problems with Wipro till now. Let's see further what they do, what they give the situations to us to handle.
So you want to give any suggestion for freshers who are going to apply? Any suggestion? Last suggestion you want to give?
Yeah, yeah. I'm not so big that I can give suggestions, but I would like to tell youngsters and techie guy that if you are willing to get a place as soon as possible, then you must be continuous and persistence. Hard working and persistency are the two important factors that you have to follow. Eventually, you have to work hard today or tomorrow. So it is up to you how you are doing the job, how you are doing your job. So at last, I would like to say, do practice, do coding, and eventually you will win the game.
Okay, so there is any question for us?
Uh, no, sorry, I don't have any questions for you. I can say one thing for you. Great initiative. Keep this.
Okay, thank you. And thank you, Raj, for being a
Thank you.
part of Lockdown Learner. Okay, so
Yeah, thank you,
see you
and
guys.
wishing you a very good life ahead.